Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Gypsy Queen Shaw, and this is our family vlogs. Enjoy.
Mommy, do you think a fish that would live in this type of water?
Yeah?
Yeah, really.
I think it's a waterfall.
Look! A turtle right here!
Oh,
A turtle.
it's
That's
so
the fish.
big.
That's the fish. That's the one that keeps living. This is turtle. Oh, my little turtle.
You see the fish?
Yeah, it's so big.
Look at this turtle.
I know. It looks like a baby.
Nah, it's big. It's not a baby.
Oh, another one here. It's tiny.
You like him too?
I like him.
No, she's coming down. Victoria, come on, let's go on the other side. What's that? Wow, turtle. Look, he's smiling at me. He's smiling at me. He's like, who is this? Hi. It's like a He's like a dinosaur. Look at his nails. Is it a turtle? Because I've never seen a turtle look like that. I don't think that's a turtle. That's not a turtle. You're not a turtle. He's...
That turtle has a mouth.
Has spikes.
Hi. Yeah. I don't know what it is.
That's a
That's a
huge
big
fish. Oh my goodness.
That's a baby fish, because that's a really small
Well, it's probably
catfish.
not a baby fish, but it's probably still big.
That's a small catfish. This is a big catfish. That's the one, that's the baby.
Look at that one over there in the back. These things are huge.
I know. Those aren't catfish, because catfish, they don't have scales. And you can see their eyes.
Go. You gonna go all the way up? Hi, Victoria. Be careful. Hey. Saya, where you going? Tiny fish up there. Just bad smells. Come, baby, this way. Come. Josiah and Victoria and Aria, this way. The chickens are right here. Look at the little chick.
Mom, I was at a farm before.
Yeah, now you at a farm again. And a rooster.
I've seen a bigger rooster than that. Way more aggressive. Mom,
Look what Josiah.
I was at a farm with my cousin.
What are you doing?
I
Wow. Yeah, right here. You gotta hold your hand out like that.
Give me one. Give me one.
Okay. No, that's not how you feed it. That's not how you feed it. You gotta hold your hand. Hold your hand out. Hold your hand like this to it. Feed this one too behind you. Yeah, good job. Good job. Aria, you gotta hold your hand out like that. You gotta put it. I'll do it with you. No, hold it in your hand. See, it's not bad. It's not gonna bite you. It don't got no teeth.
Ow! I died. Ow! Oh, they're fighting. They have no teeth. Mom, where do we get the tokens? I'm gonna do it. Mom, where do we get the tokens? I wanted to do it.
The machine is broken.
Yeah, because someone
You just gotta pick up the green. Yeah, exactly. You just gotta pick the green one. Yeah. You eat it all. They eat it all?
No, that's a rock. Aria, will you? No! Josiah, that's a rock. Can I see? Rock? Yes, let's leave them alone.
Don't mess up his clothes. Come on.
Come on, Josiah. Bye. Bye, Josiah. That one's really fluffy.
Ah! Ah!
Yeah, that's what I said.
They fighting.
I know.
Be careful because these are not like the other ones. These can be aggressive. No, they're just different. Hi. Yeah?
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, your tongue is so soft. Hi. You're so nice.
I'm gonna take off my glasses.
Aww. Where's Josiah? Josiah! Come on, baby. Slow down, slow down. Slow down, slow down. Okay.
Mom, can I see you?
You find anything, Josiah?
I found a sheep, Mom. Ow!
His tongue is so soft. You got it? Hi. Oh, he's coming to get it.
Ow!
Oh, look, there's some babies back here. There's a little one over here.
Hey. Oh, you're so soft. Oh, you guys just want to go where the food is. All right. Ah, Josiah, you don't hit the animal. You got to be nice. I see.
Yeah, let's go look at the pig.
What? You said sissy what?
The horses!
Yeah, but they're away.
Yeah, but you can still see them.
This is a huge, come on Josiah. This is a huge farm and a huge, beautiful nature. And it's free. It's a suggested $5. They suggest that you give a $5 admission, but I don't know if anybody actually adheres to it. Look at my hair, y'all. I shaved it all off. But we're having such a great time. This is week 2 of October. So, I have no clue. That's the Cicadere. Yeah, so let's go down. Let's go down and around. But yeah, it's just so beautiful. Look at the kids. I wish I would have dressed more appropriately because I got jeans on. Gonna make it through the whole thing today, so we're gonna come back tomorrow and we're gonna do a picnic. Look, Aria, the cows are closer. No. Don't get out, don't get out. Sit back, sit back. You can see, but they're not gonna come all the way to you.